Hello, this is exercise 7, and in this exercise we are going to see a router configuration using EIGRP. So in this you can see the topology here. In this topology I have taken a total of 6 PCs, 2 on this side, 2 on this side and 2 on that side, and I have used 3 routers. So to the PC1 I have given the IP address, as you can see, 192.168.1.3. To this PC I have given as 1.2 and its subnet mask, and similarly as 2.1, 2.2, 3.1 and 3.2. So next I have assigned the IP addresses to this interface of the router using these following commands. First I have enabled the router, then I have using the config terminal command, then I have configured the terminal, then I have chosen the interface which I have to configure. Here in this case FA0/0, so I have chosen FA0/0. Then I have assigned the IP address to this interface using the command IP address, and then the IP address what I want and the subnet mask and its subnet mask. And if clock symbol is available here in this side of the interface, then I give a command as clock rate 64,000, and then I give no shutdown. So by doing this I assign IP address to this interface of the router. Similarly I have assigned all to this interface also, and all the other 2 routers to in this 3 interfaces are there, so I have assigned to all the 3 interfaces, and in this 2 interfaces, so all the 2 interfaces I have assigned the IP addresses. Then I have then in each router I have to connect this side to this router and all the other side. So this should be done by EIGRP configuration. So this I have done by I have gone to the router and I enabled it, and then after using the config terminal I have entered the command as router EIGRP and its process ID. For this case we are using the process ID as 1. So I have given the command as router EIGRP 1. Next I have given the command as network, and then the network address of the interfaces of the IP addresses of the interfaces, 2 interfaces of the router and its wildcard mask. So for example, for this router, for FA0/0 the command will be network and its corresponding network address of this IP of this interface and its wildcard mask. So similarly I have done this for this router, and in this router in the second router I have done it for all 3, and a third router I have done it for all the 2. So this completes our EIGRP configuration. So let's check if it's pinging or not. So let's see what's the IP rate. It's 3.3. So let's ping 3.3. Ping 192.168.3.3. So let's see if it's pinging or not. So we can see that the first packet was request timed out, but let's check another time. Now we can see all the 4 packets are being sent and received, and there is no loss. So our topology is correct, and EIGRP configuration is also correct. And so this completes our exercise 7. Thank you.